What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Polygon, Polygonians, up a beautiful 5.5% on the day. We're sitting at a, oh sorry guys, this little remote is annoying me. You can see it in the corner of the screen and it's making me go crazy. So we're sitting at 165. I just quickly want to read this comment from Keith Meller. He said, dude, love your content, but could you please try making a video without the different voice changes? They aren't necessary, and I think you might find listeners taking you more seriously. Not trying to be mean, just try and see. Well, Mr. Keith Meller, we're sitting at a market cap of 11.02 billion and a 24-hour volume of 991 million. All right, guys, let's hop straight into Matic. So we're gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. We have a bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Now we have dropped back underneath the neckline. Okay, this little guy wants to say hello. Lots of distractions today. I'm not sure about this little guy's name. Look at the camera, but he's real cute. It's the next door neighbor's cat, but you know, the puss, it's just can't get enough of me. So you can see here we've fallen back underneath the neckline, but we are holding the 20 EMA. So if we were able to bounce back rather quickly, we do have a breakout target here from this inverse head and shoulders. That would bring Matic up to about $1.75. So do keep an eye on that pattern. However, guys, if we jump into the 4 hour time frame, there is a little bit of a bearish divergence, which can signify that the bulls are losing strength here. You can see we created a lower high, we created a little bit of a higher high on the RSI. So if we were to see some pullback, we did just break above the golden ratio, which is an extremely bullish sign. But we may come back down to retest it at $1.54, or we'll simply hold the 20 EMA before seeing continuation. We have our breakout target from our bull flag at 206. We have our target from our falling wedge at 181, and then we have the 0.786 at $1.98 for Matic. If we look on the daily, we have our massive inverse head and shoulders. We're getting closer and closer to that neckline at $1.82. And it's a beautiful signal to get back above the golden ratio. If we can hold it as support, there's a higher likelihood that you're going to go back up to where you started, the previous all-time high at about 272, and all the way up to the 1.272 extension at 403. And then we have the 1.618 sitting at $6.77 here for Matic. All right, guys, so we're going to quickly look at Ethereum. So as you can see with Ethereum, we're on our way to our target from our inverse head and shoulders at 4619. There's a smaller pattern at play here, a little bit of a double bottom. As you can see here, we created a bottom, created a second bottom. We broke in the neckline. So if we can stay above that neckline here, what you do is you measure from the bottom of the W to the top of the neckline. And that can take Ethereum up here past the previous all-time high, guys, and all the way up to 4471. We also have our much larger pattern at play for Ethereum, which is either an inverse head and shoulders or a massive cup and handle, as you can see here. And that target is all the way up at 6258. If we were to invalidate this double bottom, I would target our neckline here coming in at about 3958. But as of right now, we've broken out of this pattern. We're above the 20 EMA. So as long as we can hold the EMAs as support, that's when we can head up to this price target and break the previous all-time high for ETH. We're looking healthy on the daily. It's good that we're consolidating, allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles for ETH. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members, guys, posting chart patterns, analytics, talking all things crypto. It's an incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee, guys, and it's a great way to support the channel, but completely optional. So we are seeing a bit of sell-off here for Matic. It looks like the bearish divergence may be playing out a little bit on the 4 hour time frame. So we may invalidate this inverse head and shoulders, or we come down to the 55 and then we bounce back up, which is still extremely healthy. In my opinion, we're still on our way to our larger targets here. $2.06, and you have the falling wedge at 181 will act as a resistance. In my opinion, the fact that we're back above the golden ratio is an extreme sign of strength, and as long as we can stay above it, we're looking really healthy to break our all-time high and head up to the 1.272 extension, which is up at $4.03 for Matic. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you got some value, smash that like button. Check out crypto.com as well as the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.